Olukiiko olwo lw'ekirimo abeebembezi ku rw'omu disitulikiti nka Kasese, Ntoroko, Kisoro, Kyenjojo, Kyegeegwa, Mitoma n'ezindi lwessirwe aba Water Resource Management and Development Strategy for Albert Nile Water Management Zone abantu bagira ngu obunobwire Abanya-Uganda okwongera kurinda eby'obuhangwa.
To ensure that there is water to support livelihoods and socio-economic development. Yes. So the actions that we are doing, we are actually doing quite a lot. You will find us into livelihood activities. Yes? That don't necessarily mean that when you do that, the water is managed, but it is supposed to, if the people that have been affected by our actions have moved away, then how do they survive? Yes? So we are doing tree planting, we are doing riverbank management, we are doing wetland restoration, we are doing landscape management, and we are doing livelihoods as well.
Omwezi wa Commission aba Water Use Planning ku rw'omu Ministry y'Emmizi nagira ngu ebintu nk'okubyara emiti ne bimwe ahari ebyo ebyakongera kurinda eby'obuhangwa Abanya-Uganda babyejumbamu.
Them to take up responsibility, to take lead in the implementation of management and development of water and related resources in the environment. But our role as a technical ministry is to give that guidance.
Abel Bizimana, ol chairman w'entebe akatana bwa district ya Kisoro nagira ngu ministry n'obwegereza okurinda eby'obuhangwa na munonga erikureebera mu emigyera aba nikireebeka bakeebwa n'enshozi kandi eki nakyo ni kikuru.
Hatiya nkitwe last season tukaferwa abantu 10 oli mu Muro sub county habwa landslides na floods tukagaruka twaferwa abantu hihi 10 nabwe omuri Muhabura. Obu tukatunga the first biggest mudslide in Mount Muhabura.
Not only River Nyamwamba, but government of Uganda has also looked at seeing how best do we handle the issue of River Nyamgasane.
Nekiniga kyamaani muno habwokuba ekiragiro ky'okubinga abantu mu bisaaru tikikorwa mu bwinganiza ntugonza omunaku omugayiga weena boona barugire muhano.
Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi, Abwa TV West.